Hello, today I'll introduce our skid loaders S360. The color is construction yellow and black. The height is 1.3 meters. The length with the bucket is 2.1 meters. Without the bucket is 1.45 meters. Body width 1 meter. Bucket width 1.60 meters. Bucket capacity is 0.12 cubic meters. Maximum operating height is 2.45 meters. Height to the bucket pin is 1.87 meters. Bucket maximum height when level is 1.81 meters. Rated load 200 kilograms. Maximum operating load 300 kilograms. Equipped with 15 by 72 tires. And has a ground clearance of 11 centimeters. Double pumps and double valves. Powerful output.